Most people don't fail at dividend income because it's complicated, because they think there's some perfect stock, some hidden ETF, some trick that suddenly starts paying them $4,000 a month. But the truth is not about finding income. This is about building a machine that produces income. You don't want dividends, you want freedom. You want to wake up, check your account, and see money come in without asking anyone for permission. No boss, no stress about what if I lose my job. That's the goal, but here's what nobody tells you clearly. Dividend income is not magic. It's math. Income equals capital times yield. If your goal is $4,000 per month, that's $48,000 per year. Now, look at what that actually requires. At 3% yield, you need approximately $1.6 million. At 5% yield, you need approximately $960,000. At 10% yield, you need approximately $480,000. And this is where most people mentally quit, because suddenly it's not passive income. It's serious capital. You are not building income. You are building capacity to generate income. This is one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. They chase dividends too early. It feels productive because money is coming in, but mathematically, it kills your compounding speed. Why most people stay stuck? Here's what usually happens. They invest small amounts and expect results quickly. They see $5,000 invested to $200 to $400 per year, $10,000 to maybe $500. It feels pointless. The beginning is slow because you're doing all the work. Let's break it down. At $10,000, even 10% equals $1,000 implies nothing life-changing. At $100,000, 10% equals $10,000. Now it matters. At $500,000, 10% equals $50,000. Now it changes your life. Same system, different scale. And most people quit right before it. A few years ago, dividend investing was simple. Buy safe companies leads to wait decades. Today, the game has changed. We now have 3 powerful income paths. And this is where real strategy begins. 1. Stability layer, dividend growth. This is your foundation. Low yield, 2 to 4%, but strong long-term growth. These are companies and ETFs that survive recessions, increase payouts over time, quietly build wealth. Examples: Coca-Cola, Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, but PepsiCo. ETFs: Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF. This is not where you get rich fast. This is what keeps you rich later. 2. Income layer, REITs. Now, things start getting interesting. Medium yield, 4 to 8%. These are real estate cash flow machines. Instead of owning one apartment, you own thousands of properties. Examples: Realty Income, Monthly Income, Prologis, American Tower. ETF, Vanguard Real Estate ETF. Why this matters today? Interest rates changed everything. Now income matters again. Rates became attractive because they produce real cash flow. They react to economic cycles, opportunity. Many are still undervalued after rate hikes. 3. High income layer, the new era. This is where modern investing shifted hard. High yield, 8 to 12% plus. These exploded recently. Why? Because people are tired of waiting. They want income now. Examples: JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF, Global X NASDAQ 100 Covered Call ETF. These funds own stocks, sell options, generate extra income. Result: higher payouts, but you give up some growth, some long-term upside. This is an income accelerator. Most people pick one strategy. That's exactly why they fail. They either go too safe, right arrow slow forever. Go too aggressive leads to lose money. Chase yield leads to fall into traps. But real investors don't think like that. They build systems. Your portfolio has one job: grow capital to convert to income, to scale income. What actually works is simple. Every dollar in your portfolio must have a job. The 3-layer system. This is what actually works today. You don't need 20 ETFs. You need 3 layers that work together. 1. The core, 40 to 50%, your wealth engine. This is where your money actually grows. Without this, you never reach the capital needed for $4,000 per month. What belongs here? Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, Invesco QQQ Trust. Why these? Because they own hundreds of companies, adapt automatically over time, capture long-term economic growth. You're not picking winners. You're buying a system that evolves on its own. What this layer does takes you from $10,000 to $100,000 to $500,000. Compounds quietly in the background, builds the foundation for everything else. 2. The income layer, 30 to 40%, your cash flow builder. Now we introduce assets that actually pay you. This is where income becomes visible. What belongs here? Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF, Vanguard Real Estate ETF, Realty Income. Why these? Because they generate real cash flow, pay consistent dividends, grow income over time. What this layer does, creates steady income early, smooths volatility, gives psychological confidence. This is the bridge between I see nothing happening right arrow, I'm actually getting paid. 3. The accelerator, 10 to 20%, your income booster. This is where modern strategy kicks in. This didn't exist in the same way 10 to 15 years ago. What belongs here? JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF, Global X Nasdaq 100 Covered Call ETF. They combine dividends, option premiums, and the result, higher monthly income. But these are not long-term growth machines. If you overuse them, you limit your upside, you slow down wealth building. What this layer does, boosts income faster, shortens time to visible results, makes the system feel real sooner. And here's what this looks like in practice. 50% core growth, 30% income layer, 20% accelerator. That's it. Clean, simple, effective. Let's walk through real numbers. Imagine you build your portfolio to $500,000 total. Now apply realistic yields. Core, 2 to 3%, approximately $7,500 to $10,000 per year. Income layer, 4 to 6%, approximately $12,000 to $18,000 per year. Accelerator, 8 to 10%, approximately $8,000 to $10,000 per year. Total, approximately $27,000 to $38,000 per year. That's already $2,200 to $3,100 per month. Not $4,000 yet, but now it's real. Scale it to $700,000 to $900,000. Now things change fast. At that level, you reach $4,000 per month range. Income only becomes meaningful once capital is large enough. Why the strategy works? Because growth builds wealth. Without growth, you never reach enough capital. This is why high-income portfolios alone don't make you rich. Growth does. Moreover, the best you can do is reinvest everything. Drip. Dividends are not income yet. They are fuel. More shares leads to more dividends, leads to more shares. That's the engine. But the acceleration happens outside the portfolio. Lever number 1, your income. You can optimize ETFs all day. More money invested equals faster results. Let's make it simple. Investing $200 per month leads to slow path. Investing $1,000 per month leads to serious progress. Investing $2,000 plus per month leads to a completely different life. Same strategy, different outcome. Lever number 2, time compression. This is the part that can cut years off your timeline. Instead of waiting to build capital slowly, you accelerate the early phase. How? Option A, lump sum strategy. If you ever get bonus, save capital, business income, you invest it immediately because early capital has the highest impact on compounding. Option B, aggressive first 2 to 3 years. This is underrated. Instead of thinking long-term from day one, you go aggressive early. For example, cut unnecessary expenses, increase income streams, push investments harder. Why? Because the hardest part is getting to $100,000. After that, momentum starts. Lever number 3, smart allocation shift. You don't need to predict the market, but you can adapt to it. During growth phases, markets are rising leads to tech leading. You lean more into Invesco QQQ Trust, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Focus equals growth. During uncertain sideways markets, volatile implies no clear direction. You increase JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF, Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. Focus equals income. During high interest rate periods, this is important today. REITs are often undervalued. You accumulate realty income, Vanguard Real Estate ETF. Focus equals future income expansion. This is not market timing. This is positioning. Compounding doesn't feel real until it suddenly does. When you finally reach $4,000 per month, you check your account and realize you're getting paid whether you work or not. That's the goal, freedom.